Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be listing the types of microwave ovens and their uses. First on the list is the solo microwave oven. This microwave oven carries out basic heating and defrosting tasks. It often comes with preset cooking modes for specific food items, and it is more budget friendly. The second on my list is the grill microwave oven. This microwave oven combines the feature of a traditional microwave and a grill. It introduces a heating element either on the top or the bottom of the microwave that gives a grilled, brown and crispy texture to food items. You can grill, toast and roast with this microwave. It falls within the mid-range to high-end price bracket, and it requires more cleaning because of the grill option when compared to the regular microwave. The third microwave type on my list is the convection microwave oven. This is my personal favorite. This microwave oven not only utilizes microwave radiation to cook, but it also integrates convection energy principle, which circulates and evenly distributes hot air in the microwave cavity, which gives room for a wider range of cooking options and superior cooking. You can defrost, heat, bake, grill, roast with the convection microwave oven. They are more energy efficient than the traditional ovens, and their compact size make it ideal for all kitchen sizes. The fourth microwave type we'll be talking about is over-the-range microwave oven. Like the name implies, this microwave oven is made to be mounted above your cooking range or stove. It combines the functionalities of a microwave oven and an exhaust fan, serving both heating and ventilation purposes. It offers a wide range of cooking options just like the convection microwave. It is on the high-end price bracket, but it helps save up counter space. Finally on the list is a beauty microwave oven. As the name suggests, a beauty microwave oven is designed to be integrated into your kitchen cabinetry or wall. They are installed in a fixed position unlike the countertop models. They come in different power ratings and capacity to suit your cooking needs. They are more expensive, but they are easy to clean. Conclusively, the convection microwave oven comes first in my rating. This is because it is compact in size, making it perfect for every kitchen size, and it also has a wide cooking option, and it falls within the mid to high end price bracket. Over the range microwave oven comes second. This is because it helps save counter space, and it also has wide cooking options like the convection oven. Although it is more expensive, but it also serves ventilation purposes. The beauty microwave oven comes third in my rating. This is because it is more expensive and it is more convenient for a large size kitchen. The grill microwave oven and the solo microwave oven do not make it to my rating list. This is because I feel the other types provide more value for money. I hope this video helps you make a purchasing decision. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section, like and share this video so others can learn, and do not forget to subscribe.